Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and good morning. So this is another part, the second part of standard form. So our learning objective for today's lesson is able to expand numbers written in standard form. So artinya this time you are given standard form, for example 4 times 10 power 2, and so you must be able to expand this into ordinary number. So the steps to success: step number one, standard form is in this format, so you have to remember it is in this format. So now we want to turn this into ordinary number. So step number 2, expand the 10 power n. So for example, you have 10 power 2, so expand it first. So 10 power 2, if you expand, it will be 10 times 10 or 100. Then multiply by a. Then you multiply this one with a, which is 4. Okay, so you'll get 400. Then let's look at the first example. Write 2 times 10 power 3 or 10 cube in ordinary form. So these are the steps to success. Step number 1, step number 2, expand, step number 3, multiply. Okay, let's try. 2 times 10 cube, you expand the 10 cube, so 2 times 10 times 10 times 10. Remember, power 3 means repeated multiplication of 10 3 times. Okay, so now you have 2 times 1000, because there are 3 zeros, and now it becomes 2 times 1000 is 2000. This is the final answer. Next question. 3.7 times 10 power 4. Okay, the same method. 3.7 times 10 power 4, expand the power 4, 10 power 4, so 3.7 times 10, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you are good with the expanding, you don't need to do this anymore. You can just straight away write 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so then 3.7 times 10,000. Remember, you can just move the decimal point. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's the final answer. We've learned how to do this. I hope you still remember. Just move the decimal point. Okay, 2 points, another question. 2.7 times 10 power 2, but this time I'm going to use another method, that is moving the decimal point. So 2.7 times 10 power 3, as this is power 3, positive 3, it means you are expecting this answer to be bigger, to be larger than 2.7. So that means, since we are using moving decimal point method, so we are moving the decimal point to the left, because it will make the number bigger. So 1, 2, 3. So decimal point is here. So artinya you fill in this space with 0 zeros. 2, 7, 0, 0 point. Okay, so since there's nothing after the point, the decimal point, so the final answer is this one. Okay, this is using different method, that is called moving the decimal point. Alright, okay, next one. 7 times 10 power negative 3 or negative 3. Just now all our examples were in positive 3, now in negative 3. Okay, remember, 7 times 10 power negative 3. Remember this index, negative index. 10 power negative 3 means 7 over 10 power 3 atau 10 cube. So use the same process. Expand the 10 cube. 1, 2, 3. Now, do you remember? This is 7 thousandths. 7 thousandths. So, artinya, the 7 must be at the thousandth place. So, tenths, hundredths, thousandths. Okay, so this is the final answer. Okay, now 5 times 10 power negative 2. Also negative here, but this time I'm going to use moving the decimal point method. Okay, so 5 times 10 power negative 2. This is negative 2. So you want the ordinary number to be smaller because this is negative. You expect the ordinary number to be smaller than 5. Okay, so we have to move the decimal point to the left. So 5, this is 5, so artinya the decimal point is here. Okay, so move to the left. Let's use different color. 1, 2. Kenapa 2? Because 2 here. 2. 2. Now we fill in the space with 0. 0.05. So that's the final answer. Okay.